Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm just going to take you along the day with me. Nothing really crazy planned today. Got to ship some stuff off. Got to work on some things at the coffee shop. It's kind of early in the morning right now. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, let's get the day started. Just arrived at the coffee shop where the first part of my day is going to begin. I'll be doing about 4.5 hours, maybe 5 hours of what I call studying. That's just what I call it when I go to a coffee shop and I work on things. Today on the agenda is 2 to 4 workout plans created in a graphic kind of design program thing that I work with. But yeah, so I'm gonna get that done. Those things will be available for purchase like way later, but anyways, there's some beta testing that has to be done. There's a couple other things, but essentially that's what the first thing I'm gonna be doing in there this morning. I think at some point today I'll be able to thrift with e-money. Also got to bring some things to the post office and some other things at the house I have to box up. Also have an FBA box right there that has to go out. So yeah, but the very first thing in the morning is going to the coffee shop and getting this work done. Let's do that real quick. Well, let's go to the coffee shop. It might be noisy. I need to get a certain kind of table that's by a plug so I can actually use my laptop. Yeah, so you gotta get here early. There are a million people here. E-money's here. What are you doing, E-money?
Studying for the boards.
Studying for the boards?
Right.
Done with the coffee shop. That was amazing. Got a lot of work done. About 40% done with my very first fitness product. Should be pretty good. Outside of that, I'm gonna be heading home here, getting a little bite to eat, and then I'm going to probably do a hot shot with e-money after I get a haircut. I'm getting a haircut? What? Bonafide, go back a little bit. You're getting a haircut? Are you out of your mind? I need to get a trim. That's what my wife told me to tell the hairstylist. Get a trim. I don't know what that means. We'll see. All right, at the house. Time to get some food. I am hungry. And then, yeah, I gotta get this trim done. Then I gotta package something up that's sold. Sold a Dooney and Burke purse for around 150 bucks yesterday. That was pretty cool. I gotta get that packed up. And then, you know, post office, UPS, hot shot at some point. And then some active stuff later on. That should be good. Let's see what's going on in the house. Hey, we have animals inside. We have a cat and 3 dogs are in there. And 1 wife. We gotta make sure we save her too, you know? Hey, Austin. Hey, Roxy. What you guys doing? Hey, what are you doing? I'm vlogging, yeah.
I'm working.
You're working? Yeah. All right, well, it's time to get some food in real quick, and then I will see you guys in a second. We gotta get those pasture-raised eggs. Look at that. This is the stuff you see me buy at the farmer's market. Boom! They're the eggs. I cracked one right there. It's kind of small, but look how amped up this little orange dude is. Man, that is the egg that you want right there, guys. Right there. First meal of the day. One of these Loma Linda Chipotle bowls. That's in there. 1 avocado and 4 pasture-raised eggs. That should get me around 40 grams of protein or so, something like that. And it is really tasty.
They're gonna have some watermelons.
Watermelons? Watermelons?
Watermelons. Oh, little Pete.
He likes it. Oh yeah, he loved it.
Let's give out Roxy some.
Oh, this one's the good one. Look how gentle that is. Oh my Lord. Got the wifey making some tofu scramble right there. Pretty good stuff. We're actually gonna be working on a recipe book pretty soon. We'll be giving some of the stuff out for free, obviously, some of the easy stuff out for free, but yeah, she's shifted more towards a raw food diet. My wife's making food for part of the week right here. We have some tofu scramble and some, it's stir fry, right? And cauliflower stir fry? Yeah. So that's what's going on. She's eating that right now. I'm about to have a protein smoothie as well. And then let's get down to the haircut place. I gotta also box up that Dooney and Burke bag. Not box it up, but get it, you know, out the door, and it's already boxed up. It just needs to have the label on top. And then time to get a trim, whatever that is.
Go get a trim.
See you later.
Cut it all off.
I won't cut it all off. We'll see you at the trail. She's gonna be at the trail later. We're gonna have a lot of fun. You'll see. You'll see. I gotta get this stupid trim first. Got the Dooney in the box. The label printed out. I'm gonna try to make it, and I'm gonna try to drop this stuff off first if I can. Who knows? Yeah, let's get this haircut. I can't believe I'm getting a haircut. What? If you like this kind of stuff, you're liking the behind the scenes kind of stuff, just hit the like button, really important, and leave a comment. If you don't leave a comment, did you even watch the video? I mean, think about it for a second. Is it even possible? Let me know. When you watch my videos, you will comment. I find it kind of funny, you know, Dooney person there, bags to bucks basically. We have a boots to bucks in here, and then under that we have another boots to bucks. So the boot that's in here, I think was like 14, sold for 93. The boot that's in there was like 25, sold for over 200. And the purse right here was 15, sold for 150-ish. Yeah, I'm not playing around. You guys, go check out my guides. I'll flash them on the screen here for 1 second. You should go check them out at bonafidehustler.com. You should get them. By the way, if you do have the guides or if you have either of those guides or both of the either way, if you have both of those guides or just one of those guides, let me know down below what you think. I'm just curious. Oh man, I'm about to head out of the neighborhood, and there's a male woman here. Yes, not a male man, but a male woman. So you shall get my package, woman. You gonna take my Dooney purse that's in a box and well packed. Hey, can't believe you're in long sleeves. It's hot out here. Crazy. She just handled my package. Okay, the boxes are gone. Well, there's one box left. That's going to UPS, but I'm outside of where I'm gonna get a trim. What the hell is a trim anyway? A trim, is it just like a little bit off, a lot of bit off, locks of love off? I don't know, but that's what I'm supposed to tell her. Ooh, fancy. Hey, this is what my wife uses. I think it's good. What is this crap? Ew. All right, good vibes, Bonafide, good vibes. All right, so the next clip, my hair will probably look the same. Yeah. Bonafide's gonna get his hair did. Wow. Ladies, not all at once now. Come on now. Jeez. It's a Geico caveman right here. Okay, so this is the haircut. I think it's a trim. I don't even know. But pretty good. Feels a little bit different. So the hair does look pretty good. I like it. You know, I'm pretty happy with it. Ordinarily, I don't care about talking about hair on my vlogs, but this is important. This is monumental. Bonafide got a trim. I guess that's a haircut. She done cut off my split ends. She done massaged my hair. She did all kinds of wacky stuff and made it all equal. And now it feels pretty good. Oh yeah, I can swing my head around really fast now. Didn't take very long, about 40 minutes, and now I think it's time for a hot shot. So I'm gonna head home and see if I can gather up e-money. Let's get to hustling. E-money!
Yeah.
You ready to go on a hot shot?
Let's do it.
I just got a haircut, can you tell?
No.
Oh, damn. What's the worst part about having a haircut? All the little hairs that are like on your body and they get in like your little crevices and stuff, like this little arm crevice right here.
Not for me. The worst part about my haircut was like my hair was gone.
Do we have a CHEDDAR? Nope, no touchdown of the CHEDDAR today. E-money.
Oh.
Your sideburns are like a Ford Fiesta.
Cheap
and small. Makes no sense. All right, let's go on a hot shot. First stop, Savers. We're at the Savers. We made it here. We time warped E-money.
No, we didn't. We drove.
Yeah, true. We space potted. Hadouken, go. Nope. Oh, it worked. All right, Pokemon stuff. This could be some good stuff. Look at this one.
Oh yeah.
Seriously, what is that? Cool. $249. Yeah, I think it's this one. Obviously, paperback. Yep. And let's see what it sells for. Used. Hard to tell.
What's the rank?
This one doesn't say, but the other one might be.
Bay.
The bay will show me. See, this one's also the same, so let's go to the bay. Let's see here. Yeah, this one right here is about $10, $5. Not really worth it, so. Bags to bucks, Tommy, money. Come on. See anything yet, E-money? Nope.
No.
Let's keep going. I don't think that's a good one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because you can't even open it, so like it's all sealed.
Nope.
It's a kid's one. Where's the Mattel thing or Hasbro? 1988, dude. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. Ah, I might put this in the booth. This is kind of cool. Oh, one of the wheels is missing. Never mind. I'll pass on it. But you just gotta like look. What's that? That kind of looks sleeperish. No. Orange. Meh. Some Laredo fake snakeskin boots. No thanks. These are kind of cool. Didn't find anything that savors, but we're here at a Goodwill. And we're not in the Goodwill. We're here, but we're not in it. You know?
What do you think you're gonna find?
Are we in it or are we not in it, technically?
No, because
We're not. You got an F5, almost an F5 touchdown right here. Tornado going. CHEDDAR, F5 CHEDDAR, about to walk in the door, man. I'm gonna wreck the whole shop up. I'm gonna get in my TIV. Gotta get my Tornado Intercept vehicle. Dude, E-Money gonna suck up all the deals with this little Tornado. Look at them. Oh my God, that's a Twister if I've ever seen one. No way. I've seen a Twister and it's in this Goodwill. Whoa, they got the Backs to Bucks section a little organized here, man. Doing some work. Nothing on the floor. Looking strong. You just have to dabble a little bit and get some bags. Oh yeah, there we go, E-Money. I'm gonna cut some cheddar today.
Too bad it's not a Hobart. That would be worth it.
E-Money, you wanna become a vampire with me? We can put this all over our rooms and stuff. Ladies, if you go on a first date and the guy wears this, comment down below. What's the first thing that goes on your head? Be honest. Be honest. Cool. This could be a hot shot with like 0 return. But I'm next to the bra section, so it's all good. Are we in the Salvation Army, E-Money? Or are we at the Salvation Army?
Not yet, because it's still hot, but we have shade overhead.
Oh, that doesn't make any sense.
Why would
Okay, here we are.
in it?
And there's a chair for people that want no comfort whatsoever. Get that bike, E-Money. Think we'll be spotted here today?
No.
No? No. A lot of times we get spotted if we come to a Salvation Army on a Wednesday. Usually the Wednesday deals are in here.
What?
What? Okay, we didn't find anything there. We better get very much into praising a higher being, E-Money, because we gotta pray to the cheddar gods here in a second to rescue this day. We have one more thrift store left. Can we find something? That's the question. And that's the mini spaceship. And that's a tornado that hasn't touched down yet. No FBA drop here. FBA, let's go.
Take his feet out when he comes out the door. Alright, and then we'll see how he feels. Kind of like ninja swipe it. Here, we'll use my pinky. How do your legs feel?
Huh?
How do your legs feel?
I don't know, man. They're kind of achy. They feel like they've sustained some impact. Last Goodwill. All right, let's save it, E-Money. Come on. Going to the bins. Increasing my chances exponentially by going to the bins right now. Straight binage. That's what I'm saying. What is that weird thing? Oh, is it like a rubber band gun thing? Anything? We gotta rescue the day. This is interesting. I think I'm gonna get this. Oh yeah, I'm getting this. I'm getting this.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm getting it.
These are the same ones that make my lamp. This is actually really good.
Yeah, it's so heavy. Probably put in the booth if not. It's awesome.
I have the silver version.
Yeah, this thing is super heavy. I think it's
hold it from the base.
Just $40.
25.
You gonna do it?
I want to make 15.
All right, so I got that lamp. It is awesome. Extremely heavy. Almost pinched my finger. Hurts so bad. E-Money.
So this guy,
Yeah.
from 1920 1983, he's the guy that created these lamps.
Okay, they're basically kind of like that.
I think I have that one at home. Yeah, I got that one.
$640. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
like the That's like the real one. I mean, this could be. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
much like it. Yeah. Wow. All right, maybe I'll put it in the booth for like extremely high money. We'll see. Gotta hide it from the wife because I know what she's gonna do if she sees it. So gotta do that, and then film a show, and then ride today. At the Hustler Casa, now I gotta like get this in there without damaging my fingers. This thing bends in the weirdest ways, I'm telling you, man. It's like Jane Fonda. And yeah, you just gotta be careful because all these little like things like start to bend and then it goes whoosh, like that, you know, and it sucks. Got the lamp inside. Fingers all good. So I'll be doing some more research on this, but it's the general style from a French dude that made lamps that was really popular, I guess. Basically, this is a GL'd signal kind of floor lamp, and you know, new, they're anywhere between 200 all the way up to like $1,000. They come in table lamp models, floor lamp models, and ones that go to your wall like this. But yeah, this is essentially a floor model, and so table ones are around $300. Floor ones seem to be, with more zigzags in them, seem to go for around 601 or so. So I'm gonna be asking 1 to 200 in the booth. I think it's fair. Okay, so just got done filming a show like an hour ago, uploaded it to YouTube. It's about some eBay kind of tips and tricks that I know are working, at least for my store, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Go check out that video. By the time you see this, it'll be probably the video before it or 2 videos before it. Go check it out. Think you'll like it. Now it's in the evening time here in Austin, Texas. We're gonna go on a ride. Me and my wife. E-Money worked out too hard and he doesn't want to ride. My other friend hurt his leg. He doesn't want to ride. So we're gonna go ride. So let's go. In the small spaceship, the escape pod, here with my wife Whitney. She's drinking some water. She's preoccupied, guys. We're gonna go to Walnut Creek and we're gonna get a really quick, it's kind of like a hot shot bike ride, about 45 minutes. We'll get you a little bit of footage. You'll see. Back at the Hustler Casa. Austin, what you doing? That's my dog Austin. Hey guys, I really enjoy that you guys, guys and gals have taken some time to watch this video. If you could just hit me up with a like, that'd be awesome. Or leave a comment. And it was fun, you know, it was fun being on the trails with my wife. If you like these day in the life videos, let me know with a comment. I'll do a couple more of them here and there. But guys, thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye, bye, 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 bye.